Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today I want to make some belly bands. I can't remember which craft forum it was on Facebook, and somebody asked what is a belly band, and I thought, why don't we do a video about it? So a belly band is literally a little band that you can use in your journals to slide in documents, and at the end of this video I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so today I made two simple ones. Again, there's a lot of details. You can use any papers that you have, any bits and pieces that you have. So keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so the starting point, I want to use up some of these ribbons that I had for quite a while. So I'm definitely going to go for this because it's absolutely beautiful. And it's got that distinctive scent. I don't want to say smell, but I want to say scent. And I think I'm gonna just stick, in fact let's do two. My resolution for this year, and I know like I might sound cringe, but literally I want to use up a lot of craft things that I have. So I'm on a very strict non-buying mood. These are Tim Hall's tickets. They were in rolls, so I got this for years and years and years and years and years, and I forget to use them. And I also got some Tim Hall's scrap papers. I got the letters, I got some of the cardstock. So what I want to do today, I've got my journal that we made together a couple of weeks ago, I guess. So what I want to do, I want to create a couple of belly bands to put them in some of the pages. Now, oh, perfect, look. Literally, this is the exact width, high actually, that I need. Yeah, just gonna trim a little bit. So I'm just going to use some of this cardstock as a base. Maybe that one that is a bit plain. Actually, this one is plain as well. And I'm going to show you, this is literally like super easy. Where's my scissors? I'm just gonna cut a little strip. I'm following those two here, so I know they will be kind of straight. Belly bands are basically little things that can make you slide ephemera or documents into journals. I just need to check that the thing is I don't want to lose all the details, which I want. Okay, yeah, should be fine. So I've got 1 and 2 strips, so I'm going to move this slide over that side. I don't think it's anything here that I want to use today. Maybe him. Oh, definitely the clock. And I kept all the scraps because I think we will use them. Yeah, I think I won't need any of that. Just put in there for now. Let's have a look if there's anything in here that we want to use. That's not what I got planned. Oh, they're cute. Let's do that. So what I wanted to do, I'm going to, because I want to see the detail of the ribbon. Oh yeah, I need to chop a little bit actually, because it was a bit longer. So just gonna chop a little bit off, and then with my double-sided tape I'm just going to put a little bit there and a little bit there. Sorry, my bracelet is making a sound. So because this is what you're going to see, make sure it's nice and flat. you won't see the back of it, okay, because the back will be attached to, well, the top will be attached to the journal. So what I recommend, use quite a lot, depend how thick your ribbon is, but I'm going to use 2 little pieces. Yeah, because they will keep it nice and flat. You see, because you're only going to see this bit. And then we're just going to chop it off. There. There. And then again, we will put another piece. I'm just going to do one with you guys because I'm conscious it's already 5 minutes filming and I don't want my videos to be too long, because once you do, I show you one, you can do 900 just to give you some ideas. On here I got my 1-inch punch from Stampin' Up, and I'm just going to punch what I like from the tickets, and I'm gonna keep this round theme throughout because God, that is a circle already. I'm just gonna see if I don't want to cut too much, but that's, yeah, that's perfect. And then we do that for the other one. Oh look, that's beautiful as well. We got a number 20, which is my house number. Where else? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, I like that. What we're going to do, guys, I'm going to chop a little bit more and I'll be right back. To make it be more vintagey, I've got this tape here. I really don't know where it came from. So I'm going to cut a length. And I want to try to see, this is just something that it just popped out in my head. I want to see if I can distress it. I hope I can, and I hope that if I do distress it, because it's kind of plasticky, oh, it's, I think it will stay on. Yeah, I think it will stay on. Right, I'm gonna distress this, and now simply I'm gonna glue everything together, making some adjustments and arrangement. Okay, and that's the result. So this is the one I've done off camera, and I just put a different ribbon. There was one of the butterfly and Tim Holtz papers, so I have used it up, and this is what we made together. Okay, so you don't have to use tickets. You can use anything that you have. You can go as simple as you want, like this one here. It's fairly simple, or a bit more detailed, like I have done on this one. And how it works, so if you get your journal, you just pick a page, for example this one, and then you will put a little bit of double-sided or glue on each side, glue it down, and then that's where you put your document so it won't move. So, okay, so you slide things in. Okay, so this is what is a belly band. Okay guys, I'm going to go. I hope you like this video today, and don't forget to check out my website. This is my website. So on the home page you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there, so you see all my papers. Okay, so I merged all my papers into bundles, so you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Okay, these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now, I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 a month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. Okay, so you can pay monthly, or you can have one payment on the yearly, where is £20 a year. Okay, so you just pay once. On this, you pay monthly. On this, you only pay once. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And I really appreciate every single one of you. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Big thumbs up if you like this video. And I've got another video coming up on Wednesday where we're going to use the VIP paper for the month of February. It's the last video because it's literally, the month is nearly done. And I just finished designing the March papers for the subscription of March. So you guys are going to love, if you like this project, you will love that, the papers for March. So yeah, keep watching. Guys, I'm going to go big thumbs up. Mwah. A lot of hug and crafty kisses to every single one of you. Thank you so much for your love and support. It means the world to me. Have a wonderful day. And until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.